Asanteni sana kwa kuja leo wana Nairobi na the media fraternity. One of the things which has made us call this press conference is the need to urgently address issues which are dealing with the Nairobi City County. As you are aware, sometimes back we highlighted some of the things which are happening in Nairobi related to the governance, the management of the city as a whole. And I think is degenerating further in that the governor seems to have pocketed the leadership of this assembly. What we are witnessing now is the governor targeting MCAs individually to ensure that they are assaulted and are not able to represent the people who elected them here. It started sometimes back in Korogocho, where in Kariobagi, where an MCA, Joel Munuve, was assaulted, attacked in the presence of the governor by people who are believed to have been hired by the governor himself. Yesterday, even in the afternoon, Kitisuru MCA Alvin Palapala, at that time MCA, was violently attacked by goons who were hired by nobody but the governor of the Nairobi City County. If the governor thinks that the thuggery and the hiring of goons is going to change the course of his performance, I think he is very deluded in that, because I don't think that violence should be the way the leaders should go. I don't think that if you disagree with the MP or the governor, then you should be assaulted, or the president, you should be assaulted or done something wrong. What we are witnessing in Nairobi today is a result of the governor feeling that he is above the law. He cannot be held to account. He knows that he has held the assembly hostage, that the speaker is his personal friend, that they cannot stand up here and demand for Nairobi to be managed better. We are seeing a little bit of lip service being done all over Nairobi, cleaning and so on. This is like, kupaka lipstick on the roads of Nairobi, like we witnessed sometimes in the former regime, where somebody decided to do that. He was going to do rapid transport system by just putting a lipstick all over Thika Road. This is what the governor is also doing in Nairobi. There is no change. We know that State House has given the Nairobi City County 3 billion shillings for this event. But what we are seeing here is not something which is even worth 100 million shillings. What is the governor fearing? That the MCAs who are challenging him to be accountable. We want to know what governance framework make Dishina County tick. Yeah. We know that the thing is very good. But the law of Kenya does not believe in the goodness of any leader. We have to operate under the law. Anything we do, we have to do it under the law. The bursaries of this county have not been issued. The World Development Fund cannot be paid. Contractors are now hostages. Legal fees become spending bills. In fact, the biggest problem that the president has in the country is as a result of the mismanagement of Nairobi. Nairobi is bigger than 27 to 30 counties combined, according to the government itself. Why should it be managed the way it is being managed? When you see the governor now resorting to violence to attack MCAs who have been elected directly, we are not invited here by the governor. We have not been invited here by the leadership of the assembly. We have not been invited by the speaker. We have been elected directly at the ballot, like the president was elected, like the governor was elected, like the MPs and the senators were elected.